Good morning, students. My name is Anthony. I'm your teacher in grade 1A. So, today we are going to start online teaching. And the subject we are going to start today is mathematics. So, we are going to start from beginning by counting numbers. That is where we're going to start for today. So in mathematics, we always starting from the beginning. So let's start by counting number. So when you look at the screen here, you see that we're starting from 0. This is counting numbers 0 to 10. So let us start from this from 0 to 10. So because we are going to move step by step. So in counting numbers, there's something you're supposed to understand, that we need to start from beginning. So the beginning is from what? 0. 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you can see how we start, because normally we count from 1 to 10. But the reason why I want you to start from 0, so that you know that 0 is part of the numbers we are normally count. So you know the meaning of 0. 0 is what? Nothing. That something is not there, that is 0. So but normally we count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this from 0 to 1 is very important for you to know how to count from 0 to 1, so that when we are moving, because we are going to start from here, moving step by step, before I want you to understand it very well, because there are some students they get confused how to count numbers in English. So remember that we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are going to stop for 10 for now. So the most important thing is that when you are counting, you know that after 0, the next one is what? 1. So after 1, the next one is what? 2. The next one is what? 3. The next one is what? 4. The next number is what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is the most important things I want you to understand about counting numbers. So now when you look at this number here, you can see that we start from 1 to 10. So we normally start from 1 to 10 when we are counting. But the reason why I start from 0 to 10 is for you to know that 0 is part of the numbers. But the normal basic number we used to count is what? 1. So, but when you look at this one, you see that counting numbers 1 to 10, that is familiar to everybody. We know that we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you look at this thing, you see that for you to, by main looking, you see that their shape is different. You see this is 1. So whenever you see 1, you need to remember that this is 1, not I. This is 1. This one is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I hope by looking at this number you can count it. You can count from 1 to 10. So it's very, very important. And another one is that I want you to see that there's many ways to count numbers. So when you look at these ones now, you can see that we start from what? Counting numbers 0 to 9. You can see that we not count 0 to 10 here. So this is what? 0. This one is what? 1. This one is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You understand? So when you are counting something, you know that when you count something from 0 to 9, you can now remember that this is 0 to 9. And what number again? If I ask you after 9, what number is what? 10. So you see that counting number is very, very easy. So I hope you understand that when you want to count number, normally we can start from 1. So remember it that we normally count from 1, and 0 is what? Nothing. So that is why I try to explain about how to start counting number. We start from 1. So remember that we start counting number from 1. But the reason why I try to explain about 0, that 0 is part of numbers. Okay, so now let us go to your homework. So what you are going to do in your homework, so that you know where to start in your homework. So what I'm trying to explain about your homework is that you know that in your homework you need to understand what to do. So for you to understand what to do in your homework is, when you look at this is your homework in page, this is page 1. So when you go to your homework, this is first thing you are going to know about is that I want you to understand that after 1, the next number here, you will write it. You write the number supposed to be here. So 3, after 3, the next number, you write it, and this one, all the space, you write the correct numbers supposed to be there. Okay, so what you are counting here, what you are going to write here is 1, and you see that 1 is here already, so you write the correct numbers here, correct number here, and this one 3 is here, and you write the correct number here, write the correct number here. So this one is 6, 7, you write the correct number. After 7, you write the correct number. So you write the correct number here, and that is your homework. So try to remember that in your homework you're supposed to understand proper things you're supposed to do about your homework. So please write it proper and write it very correct to show that you know how to count numbers. I hope you understand the basic now by counting numbers. So please try to understand that we start from beginning. So from beginning, that we start from 0, count from 0 to 10. So with this experience you have now, you can do your homework by counting numbers. Write it correct. Please try to write everything correct. So we are going to continue next time, and try to do your homework. Please have a nice day and be a good boy and a good girl. Bye bye.